Right now, you're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.11 in the Forex space, but here's the kicker: momentum is down, minus 0.38. This divergence is unusual, indicating that while sentiment is slightly bullish, the underlying momentum is weak. You might want to take a closer look, because this could signal a potential reversal, or a squeeze play. With our API, you get access to comprehensive insights like sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and even semantic clusters, giving you a well-rounded view of sentiment dynamics. For instance, if you're building a trading algorithm, you can use this data to refine your entry and exit strategies based on sentiment shifts and momentum. Curious to dig deeper? Check out our docs at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.